Functional skills maths, looking at a 1 mark question, looking at multiplying numbers with a decimal. So as to work out 9 times 2.54, and it's worth 1 mark from a level 1 TQ UK. Okay, level 1 functional skills is a non-calculated question looking at multiplying with decimals. So one way to do it, guys, is to do 10 times 2.45 and then take off 2.54 of that, okay? Or you're able to just do 9 times 2.54 using the column method, okay? So either way will get you the same answer, okay? So in this video, I'm going to try and show you both methods here just so you're clear on how to get my answers. So first one here, 4 times 9 makes 36, so 6 carry that extra 3. 5 times 9 is 45, plus the 3 makes 48. Okay, decimal point lines up, I'm going to put the 4 here. 2 times 9 is 18, plus the 4 makes 22, so you have 22.86. Now the second method, or the first method that I said earlier, is to do 10 times this. Now why is 10 easy? Because all I do is move decimal point 1 place to the right. So 10 times 2.54 is 25.4. And then I can do 25.4, guys, subtract or take away, okay, 2.54. Okay, and I'm going to put a 0 there as a placeholder, okay, or place here, okay. So not a placeholder, just to fill it with zeros here, so I've got like decimal point, okay, so it's the same number, okay, but yeah, I'm putting an extra 0 there. So 0 take away 4, I can't do, so to borrow, that becomes a 3, that becomes a 10. 10 take away 4 is 6, guys. 3 take away 5, I can't do, so to borrow, that becomes a 4. That now becomes a 13. 13 take away 5 is 8. Decimal point drops down. 4 take away 2 is 2. And then that 2 obviously drops down to 22.86. So that is another way, okay, of calculating this sum. So there are many different ways here. Go with whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, you can even partition it and do 9 times 2, 9 times 0.5, and 9 times 0.04, and then add your answers together. That also works. Is whatever you are comfortable with, okay, when you're multiplying by a decimal. Okay, but hopefully these methods will be applicable for when you do your exam, whether it's later this month, in July, August, September, October, November, December, okay, or January or February next year, okay. But hopefully that was helpful for a revision lesson, okay, or an exam style question, okay. So yeah, I got these here. If you're wondering, here, there's a website here that I actually refer to in all my videos. It's called passfunctionalskills.co.uk. So if you type that into Google, guys, because I'm getting a lot of messages here about where I'm getting the questions from. So if you type in Google, yeah, passfunctionalskills, okay, .co.uk, or just onto Google, okay, it will come up here as one of the first tabs, or type in .co.uk into the search bar. And then you'll have all the different exam boards and tiers and levels, okay. But hopefully that is helpful, guys. But yeah, I'm focusing this series here on level 2, level 1, and entry level 3 students, okay, mostly, okay, but also entry level 2 and entry level 1 as well. But yeah, I'm focusing on functional skills level 1 and level 2, okay, for the non-calculator sections, but also calculator sections as well. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you're interested in having one-to-one lessons with me, I do offer them on Zoom. So drop me a message or send me an email. I can offer you, if you're an adult learner, one-to-one lessons for functional skills. More than happy to help you, okay, prepare for that exam or test. Okay, because I know how nerve-wracking it can be, especially if maths isn't something that you enjoy. I get that maths can be quite draining and difficult, and especially if it's like many attempts, like it can be quite defibrillating, if that's even a word, okay. But yeah, you gotta just keep practicing, guys. Keep going. My advice that I would give you to all my adult learners here is just the little and often approach. So do 30 to 45 minutes a day, but do it every single day, like you're going to the gym, okay? And over time, you will build that momentum and increase your confidence and even increase the time that you spend on it. Obviously, the more comfortable you get, the longer, okay? So you can obviously increase that, yeah, to 1, 2, or even 3 hours, okay, depending on obviously, yeah, your work commitment or your family or your child care commitments, okay, if you obviously got children, because I get obviously, yeah, it can obviously be quite busy, I get that, but yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.